Hello guys, we're back again in our tutorial. So as you can see, we are here in the dashboard and the inventory list is done. We already done for the tutorial for this menu. So if you didn't watch yet, so we will just put the link inside of this video so that uh, you can review. So the next menu is our item categories. So this is our item categories. So we made a category a while ago. So this is for testing category. And dental, derma. And also these item categories, if we click the link, it will show the items it is under the category. Okay, and this is our item categories. So let's go to the clinics. The clinics, which means these are now the different users. So this will be the full name. Admin can control all the situation under these users. So we have the username, the clinic type, the email, mobile, and what is the status. So if we'd like to add some new user or clinic, so we just click the add new and we'll put the username, the password, your name, and which clinic you will be, and also your email address, mobile, and what is your clinic type, and automatically you are a clinic, so you can choose which clinic you are. So and we will add, so it will be this one, it will be just like this one. So in our refined search we have the status also and the clinics. Okay, and deleting items, we have also here. If you would like to delete item, you just delete one of them. So let's go to the bottom. So let's try this sample item, but it will be deleted in our inventory list. So just delete it. Do you really want to delete the record? Let's say okay. Now it's deleted already. So the next thing is the vendors. The vendors, if you have agents, you can add here. So you will add here. For example, if you have a new, you can add the name of the vendor, the contact person, the registration, and phone number, and other contact details. As you can see also, we have the edit button. We call it. If you like to edit the name of the vendor, you can just edit here and you change the name. And this one, the single request, we used it a while ago, so I will teach you how to use it. Okay, so in our single request, you will see all of the requests of the clinics. As you can see also, the different types of icons. We have the new request and the pending request, and we don't have the close. So these icons stands for the option if you will confirm the requests. So for example, they have a new request in the clinic. For example, this one, the status is new request, and we will click the approve icon, so we click it. As you can see here, you can see the requesting about this one, and it said that there is no quantity available, please contact the suppliers, and you are requesting 2. So if this in case, we just send some RFQ to suppliers. We have a 1 button also here. We'll take to another page, okay, and you will choose which supplier name, this item ID, how many quantity that you will ask, the unit. So then we'll add. We'll go to another page. So let's test other item that it's not under stock. So let's go for the new request here. Also it's not available. So about this one. Okay, this one. So let's see. There is new request and we have the icon here. Just click the icon and the current quantity number central is 3. So we have 3, and the current quantity in the clinic is 0. They have no stock, so they are requesting 1 only. So let's make it pending request and save. Observe it. So now our icon is changed. It's now pending. So when it's pending already, we will go here at the icon, and they will you will receive the item already. So let's make completed request. So if we click the completed request, you need to sign. You need to sign the authorization person here. Who is the authorized person? So the authorized person, he will sign here, and then he will save and turns into close. Now it's close. Have already. So these are the use of our single request. If they request clinics, it will turn here. It will go here. You can see also which clinic who is requesting here. What's the name? Who is the requester? So this is our single request.